So we're gonna decorate some cookies today. We worked really hard on these. So I'm gonna pick up one of these cookies. I'm gonna use one that it's actually been eaten on. It's really gross, but that's fine. You know what? We just have to taste and make sure they're really good. So we grab some icing, like so. And then you smear it on. You just gotta be really careful because it can get all over. And then you, oh, we're just gonna move on to another cookie. We're not even, so we're gonna move on to another cookie. We just, you know what, sometimes you can just make a sandwich out of your cookies. You just put two together, sometimes that works. And then you just grab another color if you wanna make it a little lighter. And then, oh, we're gonna go back to the mitten, and we're gonna put a little bit on the end. It looks like a lightning bolt. And then we're going to take some colors. Be very careful. The icing can be very messy and it gets all over your fingers. It's just crazy. All over. You have to be very careful. Okay, apparently we like the color green, so we're gonna go back to green. And be very, sometimes you wanna give up, but you know what? We gotta finish one cookie. One, it's for the children. So let's go back to the one, we really like green icing a lot, okay? It reminds us of Christmas. And then, you, and then, at this point, we basically should just probably give up because I'm really thirsty. I'm so thirsty. I was very thirsty, but I didn't get any because we gotta decorate this cookie. Sometimes you have to figure out how to open the cap while you're holding the cookie. It's not really easy. You just twist it like so, and what's even better, it's tasty, is the cap on the cookie. It's a little it's a little, you know, protein. I don't know. Okay, so we shake, but we, you know, would like to get it on the cookie. Sometimes we shake it, it just gets on the paper, which is just as festive. And then you just smear it all over. You know what? Let's show our cookies in our hands. Let's show our cookies. Okay, we have this one that's really pretty. And then we have this, it's kind of abstract with some green right there. So, and if you're really creative, or I could try it now. It's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So good. Thank you for joining us on this cookie creating adventure. It's great. See you soon.